Jai Hind students, today we are going to understand about physical features of India, class 9th Geography. The objective of the chapter is to understand the major landform features and their underlying geological structure, their association with the various rocks and minerals as well as the nature of the soil type. If we talk about the physical features of India, we have different physical features. That is, we have the peninsular plateau region, northern mountain range, northern plains, coastal plains, and the island groups, and the Great Indian Deserts. So we have main 6 physical features which are found in our country. If we talk about how these particular physical features they were formed in all over the world as well as in India, we have certain factors which have been responsible for it. The factors which are responsible, one is the different geological periods by the process such as weathering, erosion and deposition, which has contributed to different type of relief feature in all over the world as well as in India. Another theory which has been related for the formation of these physical features, we have the theory of plate tectonic. The theory of plate tectonic explains as the whole earth is being made by the different minor and major plates, and these plates are continuously moving on the molten magma, and these plates result in 3 different types of plate boundary. The 3 different types of plate boundaries, we have convergent plate boundary, divergent plate boundary and the transverse plate boundary. The 3 different types of plate boundary, as it can be seen with the help of the diagram. The first one is the divergent plate boundary, where the 2 plates they are getting separated from each other. This is how they are being separated from each other. Another is we have the transverse plate boundary, where the 2 plates they rub to each other. They are rubbing in the opposite direction. And the third one, we have the convergent plate boundary, where one plate collides with another plate. So when they collide with each other, fold mountains they are being formed. And these different plate boundaries, they give birth to the different types of physical features that is being found in our country, that is Himalayas, northern plains, peninsular plateau, India's desert, coastal plains and the island groups. One by one we are going to understand about all different types of physical features of India. First we are going to understand about the Himalayas. Himalayas in India, they have been found on the north and northeastern part of India, and they are being divided into different ranges. They are the geological young structure fold mountains, which covers around 2,400 kilometers length. So here we have the river Indus, between these 2 rivers we have the Himalayan ranges. The three important ranges. The outermost range is Himadri. Second range, which is south to the Himadri, is Himachal range. And south to the Himachal range we have Shivalik range. Three different ranges which is around 2,400 kilometers long and which is there in between river Indus and river Biham. This is also called as a longitudinal division of Himalayas, that is Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. If you go with the Himadri range is the loftiest mountain ranges, and this particular range, the average height of the mountains is around 6,000 meters above the mean sea level. Then if you go with the Himachal ranges between 3,700 to 4,500 meters above the mean sea level. And if you talk about the Shivalik range, it's around 900 to 1100 meters above the mean sea level. Himadri range is almost covered with the snow-bound mountains, and we have loftiest peaks over there like Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain peak in the world, which is there in Nepal. Mount Kanchenjunga, they all are the part of the Himadri range. We have another division of Himalayas. Now this division is based on the rivers and this is also called as an west to east division, because we are making the mountain ranges from west direction to the east direction, and we call them as a regional division also because the names of the mountain ranges, they are being given on the basis of different regions. Let's understand about the regional division. The first division from west to east direction is called as in Punjab Himalaya. It has also been called as in Kashmir Himalayas because this mountain ranges, they lie in the area of Kashmir, and this mountain ranges, they lie between the two most important rivers, that is river Indus and river Satluj.